Now, New Jersey now under a measles alert. It comes as a measles outbreak in Texas has impacted well over 120 people and left one child dead. Cases have also been reported in New Mexico.
Now, 3 measles cases have been confirmed in Bergen County, and Kristie Keleshian is live outside Englewood Hospital. Kristie.
Mary, Chris, good morning. The state reports that it was an unvaccinated person who had returned from an international trip and infected 2 other unvaccinated people. And the State Department of Health says anybody who may have come into contact, speak with the doctor right away. New Jersey Department of Health saying the originally infected person in Bergen County was at Englewood Hospital on February 9th between 11:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. and advises that anyone who was at the hospital go see a healthcare provider right away, and that anyone who may be infected could see symptoms as late as March 6th. The department adding that all 3 infected in New Jersey were unvaccinated.
So we've seen that number, that proportion of school-aged children who are not vaccinated increased 3-fold in the past decade.
Dr. Rebecca Fisher out of Texas, which is seeing the impacts of those numbers. At least 124 people in the state infected with the measles, so far killing 1 child. The disease is starting to make its way to New Jersey. Bergen County already reporting 3 cases after an infected person returned from an international trip and infected 2 others. Department of Health and Human Services Secretary and known vaccine skeptic Robert F. Kennedy Jr. addressed the outbreaks at President Trump's cabinet meeting on Wednesday.
There have been 4 measles outbreaks this year. In this country last year, there were 16. So it's not unusual.
But doctors disagree.
A little over 20 years ago, this was declared eradicated from the continental United States. However, we do still see sporadic cases.
The measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine debuted in 1963 and is considered more than 99% effective. But according to the CDC, vaccination rates are slightly down in New York and New Jersey from 2022, and Connecticut's vaccination rate ticked up. Across the country, requests for a vaccine exemption are increasing, concerning parents.
My fear is mostly the children because we're adults, so I've already been vaccinated mostly, so it scares me for my kids.
The New Jersey Department of Health says the other 2 infected people were in quarantine with the original person who was infected at the time, and they say that particles from an infected person who may have coughed or sneezed may still be in the air for up to 2 hours after that individual leaves. Live in Englewood, New Jersey, Kristie Keleshian, CBS News, New York.
All right, Kristie, thank you.